Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Javi. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope all of you guys are having a very beautiful day today. In this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I have become no one. I am nobody, everybody. Yes, finally, I am no one. It is a very liberating thing to not have to meet an expectation, to not have to answer to an image of an identity or an even a persona, a character. It is the most liberating thing to be no one, because at that point you're not a slave to having to meet the expectations of your own thoughts that you create of, oh, I am this, I want the world to see me like this, this uh thing that we're creating, this personal self, this ego we're creating for the world to get to know and get to relate with and get to respect and even in some cases love and like and all that stuff. But you're having to continuously wake up every day to play that role, to project that image, to project these things, because everybody wants to be somebody. See, when we were in younger stages of our life, we got programmed that we were supposed to be somebody, that we're supposed to create this thing so people can like you and you can be a normal person and uh, be a productive member of society and all these things, so there's all these like expectations and attachments and uh, staying within the line of how you're supposed to be. And everybody's always trying to keep up with that image. Everyone's always trying to keep up with that persona and character and ego and personal self that they're designing for the world and even for themselves to see. And when you become no one again, you're free again. You're free with your time. You're free with your spirit. You're free with your energy to rest, to simply be your true self, to just observe life and not have a a sense of urgency to uh, have people like you and have people respect you and have people um, you know consistently validate you, because that's how this world is in a lot of ways. And what we're doing here now, and what I'm doing, all of us here in our spiritual path, is all of us are becoming nobody again. We're all becoming our true self. And don't get me wrong, this is one misunderstanding that everybody that I speak to always kind of runs into. And they always assume, because obviously they're in the mind, so they don't understand it yet. So the mind's gonna, give them questions and thoughts and whatever. But everybody thinks that when you awaken to your true self, that all of a sudden you're just gonna be a lazy bum, that you're just not gonna be smart, that you're just gonna be just, oh, I'm in here, the present moment, nirvana, I could do this 24/7, and that's it, that's my life. And yes, you probably could do it for the rest of your life and everything, but that's not the point of why we are here. We are here to live life, to be life, just not from the limited ego personal self. We're supposed to let your true heart come out, and guess what happens? You spark your inner child creativity, and then things become easy. Surviving, you find solutions. You somehow find the enthusiasm and strength and will to go out and create things without you feeling empty or feeling like you're trying to accomplish some goal. There is no mental, you know, thing going on driving your motivation like it was before when you were playing a role, when you were playing a character. Now it's just your heart being, because all external world is energy, and you are energy, and everything is one. What's out there is within you, and what's in within you is out there. It's all one. And I don't mean to sound, like the, you know, hippie whole world one, but it's true. And the sooner you start to, you know, uh, feel that, and, become no one again, it will all become clear. And so what I'm trying to say is, all the needs and necessities of life, you will know how to get them, because the needs and necessities of life are within you, and you are outside as well. It's all one. So there's really no needs and necessities of life. Everything's already abundant, and everything's there for you. You just have to have a clear sight to see how to walk and how to go about your one present moment that you are here experiencing. And that's what these videos are about, and that's what the whole idea here is. And it's beyond an idea, it's just an overall hierarchical, whatever you want to call it, just the divine and the universe expressing itself in multi-dimensional ways, and we're one of them. And you've heard all these stuff before. So back to being no one. Blessings, everybody. I love you guys. Namaste. Peace be with you. And may we all stay as no one. And the funny thing is, when you become no one, you actually become everyone and everything. So it's kind of funny how life works. Love you guys. Peace be with you. Namaste. All is love. Amitabha.